5 months ago, I had this, I wake up in the middle of the night coughing, and I just cough for an hour, 2 hours before it would subside and I could go back to bed. And at first it was just a few times, but then it became like every night. When I went to the doctor, and the physician said that it was some sort of reflux issue, GERD, and he prescribed some medicine for the acid producers anyway. And it kind of worked, kind of didn't. I took it for a while, it seemed to be okay, and then I got off of it to see if I could do more with the diet, and then it came back, and so every night I was just waking and just horrible coughing, keeping me up in the middle of the night for a couple hours, which didn't feel very good. So I talked to my daughter, who's an MA, and sometimes she thinks she's a doctor. But I said, well, what sort of homeopathic stuff, because she's into that kind of thing, might you suggest? And she did a couple things. I said, I've tried that. She said, well, have you tried acupuncture? I said, well, no, I hadn't really thought of acupuncture. And just to appease her, I tried. So I thought, what the heck? What can I go wrong? So I tried acupuncture, and it worked. I went for like 4 or 5 times, and it's done. I don't have the congestion, the cough is gone, I sleep at night. So I was skeptical, but I can't argue with it that after a few treatments, I'm fixed, as my daughter would say.